Everyone knows that there are four skills in learning a language, namely, listening, speaking, reading and writing. Hearing is the most effective and powerful way to learn a language. This is indeed a time-proven method. Of course, children begin to listen to their parents when they are babies. Children learn such a language naturally for some time and subsequently generate it through their own practice. This leads to the ability to speak, which is quite applicable to daily conversation. Listening will help you improve your understanding of language and pronunciation. Listening practice helps you understand familiar words and basic phrases. Research indicates that listening is the most frequently used language skill by students. When listening to the vocabulary, grammar constructs, intonation, accent, etc., we study a lot of the languages. By listening to them regularly, we will learn new words and phrases. We can mimic and bring great faith into effect what we say.
A camel carries traveler through the desert. Savita brushes her teeth twice a day. Baby wakes up if we make too much noise. Cats hate water. Cows eat grass. Deepu works in the field. Do I like fruits? Do not wait for me if I am late. Do other friends also come to you? Do they go to college at weekends?
Do they know each other? Do they talk a lot? Do you eat cake? Do you eat ice cream? Do you like bread? Do you need a pen? Do you not understand? Do you often go to the temple? Do you often wear this evening dress? Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Do you read newspaper daily? Do you want to go to museum? Do you work hard on exams? Doctors work in clinics and hospitals. Does Gopal have lunch at work? Does he go to office? Does he like bread? Does he play tennis? Does he sleep in pajamas? Does he speak Kannada?
Does he write a letter? Does it take me 10 minutes to get to the hospital? Does she drink coffee? Does she live in Patna? Does she often buy new clothes? Does she speak foreign languages? Does your sister go to play school? Dogs are very faithful animals. Don't you like apples? Every child likes an ice cream.
Have you been to this place before? Have you ever met Singh? Have you ever played tennis? Have you ever stayed in a resort? He does not drink coffee in the morning. He does not speak Tamil. He doesn't teach physics. He doesn't like orange juice. He drives to work. He gets up early every day.
He goes to school every day. He goes to the gym twice a week. He has never eaten these pizzas. He likes bananas. He loves to play basketball. He plays football every Saturday. He prefers to wear pants and a sweater. He thinks he is very handsome. He visits his parents very often. He watches TV every evening.
His wife sets the table. How long have you lived, Chennai? How often do you go to the theatre? How often do you see Ram? I always buy shirt in this shop. I do not drink coffee in the morning. I do not like meat. I don't wash the clothes. I don't play chess. I don't want to do that.
I don't wear trousers to work. I have answered 10 questions so far. I have no money at the moment. I have put the pen on the table. I have seen that movie. I like geography and science. I like my science teacher. I like reading horror stories. I like sandwich. I love my new dog.
I often go to the park. I play chess. I run every weekend. I run 5 miles every morning. I usually get dressed before breakfast. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. I work at the office. If he gets there before me, ask him to wait. If he phones, tell him to wait me in the cafe. If you don't brush your teeth regularly, your teeth decay.
If you press the button, the radio turns on. It doesn't rain here in the summer. It hasn't drunk the juice. It smells very delicious in the dining hall. It snows a lot in winter in Kashmir. It usually rains every day here. It usually rains every day. Rahul brushes her teeth regularly. Radha walks very fast. Kavita and I go to the mall every Saturday.
Kavita hardly ever buys ready-made clothes. Kiran brushes his teeth twice a day. Kiran works for 8 hours every day. Kiran works in the field. Kishore doesn't read every day. Ladies play football every Saturday. Lata sings a good song. Shobha enjoys cooking. Mehta has studied 2 foreign languages. Mohan doesn't work.
My boyfriend loves this book. My brother goes to gym every day. My brother takes out the trash. My brother's dog barks a lot. My dad never works on Sunday. My dad works in Delhi. My dog runs very fast. My dogs have not eaten anything. My father always washes the bike. My father doesn't speak good Hindi.
My father goes to gym every day. My father has worked in Delhi for a long time. My grandmother drinks a lot of tea. My mom cooks delicious food. My mother has just finished the food. My sister has lost the key to the bedroom. My sister works at the shop. My sisters do the washing. My son lives in Mysore. My daughter makes his bed.
My teacher sometimes forgets his purse. My wife does the laundry. On Fridays they wear jeans and work. On holidays she puts on her favorite's leather shoes. Penguins live in the Antarctica. People have not traveled to Venus. Raju goes to the gym twice a week. Raju isn't at school, I think he has gone to the theatre. Ram and Arjun have known each other since they were at primary school. Rivers flow towards the ocean.
Scientists have split the atom. She always forgets her watch. She doesn't see Raju every day. She doesn't study Hindi on Sunday. She doesn't use a mobile. She doesn't doubt it. She doesn't go with us to the cinema. She doesn't like pizza. She doesn't want to see me. She doesn't wear churidar.
She eats healthy food. She gets up early every day. She gets up early in the morning. She goes to school. She goes to work by bus. She has a beehive full of bees. She has gone to the market. She has learned to speak French. She has written 4 novels. She hasn't slept since yesterday.
She likes milk. She loves to play cricket. She often wears tight blouses. She plays tennis. She speaks English well. She swims every evening. She thinks he is very handsome. She wants to be a doctor. She writes an email to her mother. Squirrels store nuts for the winter.
The army has attacked that city 2 times. The baby has broken the glass. The banana has not turned brown yet. The children are at home. The course starts next Monday. The earth goes round the sun. The earth is spherical. The hens have laid plenty of eggs. The next flight is at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. The Queen of England lives in Buckingham Palace.
The shorts fit me perfectly. The students wear their uniform. The sun rises at the east. The train does not leave at 12 a.m. The train leaves every morning at 9 a.m. The train leaves in 10 minutes. They cook every day. They don't go to hospital tomorrow. They don't have any money. They don't want to do that.
They don't wear scarf every day. They drive their kids to school every day. They have bought books. They have stayed in the hotel since at 9 o'clock. They haven't lived here for years. They make the coffee. They play tennis every weekend. They sleep in the afternoon. They speak English in London. They speak Hindi at work.
They talk too much. They usually buy newspapers in the morning. They wanted to try on these velvet gloves. This shirt doesn't suit me. Usually he gets up at 8 o'clock. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. We do not drink coffee in the morning. We don't love flying kites. We don't get up early in the morning. We drink coffee in the morning.
We drink milk every morning. We generally pray all together. We generally sing songs all together. We go to a temple every Sunday. We go to a gallery every weekend. We go to the temple together. We have asked too many questions. We live in Delhi. We love flowery clothes. We play hockey every evening.
We see them every month. We sometimes go to the cinema. We usually walk in the evening. We walk slowly. We have already had our breakfast. What color shirt do you want? What does he usually do after work? What languages does he speak? What size pants do you need? What size shoes does your wife wear?
When do they usually talk to each other? When does she usually come home? When does the train usually leave? Where do you work? Where have I left my book? Why didn't they play tennis every day? Why do you speak Tamil? Why don't you come and stay with us? Why don't you listen to me? Why has she said like that?
You don't have children. You don't listen to me. You don't even have a name. You live in India for 2 years. You go to holiday every month. You have a big car. You have listened to SP in the concert. You have not gone home. You have some home work to do. You help your mother every day.